In this video, I am going to explain you how you can convert your docs, study materials, notes or documents like PDF, doc file, PPT and TXT file into shareable quizzes like this. Okay, so if you want to use this website, first of all, you have to sign up on this website. You can go to a landing page here and you can either sign up as a student or you can sign up as a teacher. But right now, as I am acting as a teacher, because I have to assign different types of quizzes to different types of students. So if you are a teacher, you will see a dashboard like this. If you are a student, if you sign up as a student, you will see dashboard like this. Okay, but right now, as I am a teacher, so I already logged in. I just need to click on teacher dashboard and I will be into my teacher dashboard. But if you didn't sign up on this website, you can just log in as a teacher. That is it. Okay, so now we are already logged in into our teacher dashboard. Now we just need to create a quiz. So to create a quiz, you can just need to click on create a quiz button here, and here you have different types of options that you can use to create your quizzes. But right now, as I am a teacher, I just need to convert some study materials like books or some types of PDFs into shareable quiz. So I will just right now select different types of documents and I will create a quiz. So as I am on a premium plan here, so if I go to my profile, I am on a premium plan, so I have a lot of resources here. I can convert thousands of documents, 10,000 of pages, and I can create 200 plus questions and 50 YouTube videos and so on. So I have enough resources here, so I can just click on this drag and drop button and I can select my file here. Okay, I just clicked on it. Now let me select my files here. So now I can select either PDF or Word file or text file or PPT file, and it will create a mix up of questions from those documents. But right now I'm just gonna select this PDF file and this specific text file. Okay, because these are only two documents that I wanna convert into shareable quizzes. So I will control select. Okay, I need to press control and I can select both of the documents and I can click on open, and now both of the documents will be assigned here. Now I can also type some text here if I want, but right now those two enough documents are enough. Okay, so I just need to click on next step, and now I can define my quiz configuration. Like if you want to make this quiz hard, you can select it hard, or you can leave it medium, or if you want to make it easy, you can select that easy option. After that, you can select how many questions you want to generate from this quiz. Right now I need only 10 questions, and I can also tell how much time is for this test duration, means how much time would be given to the student to complete this test. I think for 10 questions 10 minutes are enough, so I will select 10. So this would be like act as a timer for the student when student will submit this quiz. So that is the test duration. After that, I can assign points to points per question. So it means I will assign 5 points per each question. So that would be total of 50 points for the complete quiz, because there were 10 questions. Here I can leave it optional because I don't have any instructions to AI to generate a quiz. It would automatically understand. Here I can define the language if I need to, but right now as my documents are in English, so it will automatically pick English language. Deadline, I can set the deadline, like I can add 4 days for this deadline, so that is also there. After that, if I want to avoid cheating by the students, I can click on randomize question order, so each student gets question in different order. That reduces cheating very well. So that is it. If you want to show correct answers after submission, you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it. But right now, of course, I want to enable this so students can understand their mistakes and they can learn from it. So that is it. I just need to click on review. I can review my documents. I can review 10 questions. Passing marks, like 50% are passing marks. If student gets more than 50% or 50%, he would be treated as passed student, otherwise he would be failed student. So after that, I can click on generate quiz. It would take few seconds, and after that we will get generated quiz. So let's wait for it, and I will pause the video and then I will resume it. So now you can see quiz has been created. We can have different types of questions here. Okay, so if you want to delete any question, you can click on delete button, or if you want to edit any question, you can click on edit. You can change the text of the question, you can change different option, and you can add explanation as well. and you can save changes. If you don't add any explanation on student side, AI will automatically generate explanation, so you don't need to worry about it. So once your quiz has been created, now you can easily publish it. So after generating quiz, you can click on publish button here. You can add a cover image. Okay, so I will select my cover image for the quiz and I will move forward. So right now I don't have any other cover image, so I will select random cover image, like maybe this one. Okay, so or maybe this one, I think. So I will select any random cover image from here, like this one. Okay, I selected cover image. If you don't have any cover image, you can generate cover image with AI. You just need to select this button and it will generate cover image with AI. So you don't need to worry about creating cover images. So I just created my cover image and now it's uploading, and after that I will click on publish quiz button. Okay, so if you want to add this quiz to public library, that is here, you can enable this option, otherwise you can leave it as it is. Okay, so right now I have enabled because I want my quizzes to be browsable or shareable or findable in public library, so students can take this test or teachers can copy. So I will add to public library. Otherwise, if this is private information, if this is private quiz, you can disable it. So right now I will make it enable and I will click on publish quiz, and now you will see other options. So now it's publishing the quiz. It will take few seconds and then I will move forward. Now you can see I am into my test dashboard. I can see submissions, I can see average score, pass threshold, and all information like how many students passed, how many failed, what are total submissions, highest and lowest score. I can edit the test from here if I want, if I need to change something, but right now everything is okay. I will move forward and I can see public library stats here because I have made my test public, so it will be browsable in this public library like this, and you can see here, and students can take the test directly from here. So right now I will click on my test again here. Okay, and now I can easily see how many assigned classes are here. So if you didn't assign this quiz to any class, it would show 0 classes here. So you need to assign quiz to a specific class, and then you will see submissions here. So here I can see questions, I can export questions, I can see enrolled questions, enrolled students, how many are enrolled, how many submitted, how many not submitted, and I can share a quiz to a specific students. Okay, so right now I don't have any submission because I have just created a quiz. So once you have created a quiz from this option, now the next step, you have to assign this quiz to a particular class. So either you can have specific class already, or you can just create a new class. So I have already Python class. Okay, so I will obviously use it. So now you have 2 places to assign that quiz to this class. Either you can click on this assign button and you can select your specific quiz that you want to assign to this class. Okay, and it would be assigned. Okay, so this is the first step, the first option. The other option, you can just go to the all test and you can select specific assign button for a specific test like this, and you can click on the specific class to which you want to assign this quiz. So once you have assigned this quiz, now you have a shared link for that test for that particular class. So this is the same link, you will share with your students. Okay, you will share this link with your students, and your student will first of all join your Python class if they didn't already, and then they will be automatically enrolled in this specific test. Okay, so this is how you can enroll or you can add student to the class. Now if you don't want to if you want to share QR code, you can obviously open this test. There are multiple share options. Okay, so if you click on share and QR code, you can have multiple classes here. Okay, so suppose that if you have assigned this quiz to 10 plus classes, maybe 5 or 6 classes, you will see all classes here. So you just need to click on select above class to generate share links. So suppose that I want to use this class, I will click on it, and now you can see you have QR code, you have link, you have WhatsApp, you have Telegram, Facebook, and everything you have there. You can just copy message and you can share on SMS, or you can share on email, you can share on Slack, Instagram, WhatsApp, each and everything is there. So now I will again explain you things. Okay, so first step is to create a quiz. You just need to create a quiz. Once quiz has been created, you just need to publish it if it is not published. Okay, so once quiz has been published, now the next step is to create a class. You can either create a class from here. Okay, you can name it and you can click on create class, or you can select specific class. Now the third step is to add students into a class. Okay, so for that you can click on view details. Okay, you can either add students from here, you can put their emails. Make sure the emails are the same that they have used to sign up on this platform. Okay, after that you can click on add student. Like I want to add this student, I will do like this. Okay, I will click on add student and student would be added here. Okay, you can see student has been added. It just need pending registration, means student have to just sign up on this website and he would be added automatically into our class. So the next step, if you don't want to add students manually, the other option could be you can click on invite button and you can share this class link. Just click on the copy button and just share the link on their WhatsApp or on their Telegram, or you can share the QR code. So when they will receive your QR code or link, they will just use it, they will open it, and they will be automatically enrolled, or they will be automatically added to your class. And also they would be automatically enrolled in all of your existing quizzes that are assigned to that particular class. So now class has been created, you have added some students, you have shared your link with students so they can join. So if you also don't want to invite the students to the class, the third option could be you can just directly share the test. Okay, so if you want to share this test, you can click on view test button. Okay, and the same thing, you just need to click on share and QR code, just select specific class and share the link. So when you will share the test link for the specific class, they first of all need to join this class. Okay, so they will automatically join your class, and then they will automatically take the quiz on that particular class. So this is how this all system works. And here you can see all dashboard, all submission would be shown here. So you can click on this performance and submission, and here you can see all submissions here. Okay, so this is how this system works. Also in real time, if you want to monitor how many students are taking the test, how many are pending violations. Okay, so this is pending violation. When student tries to cheat by opening a new tab, or he exit from the full screen mode, he would be regarded as a like cheat student, and you have to just either assign 0 marks or you just need to fail him. You can see all the violations here. So this is how system works, and you can see all complete dashboard directly here. Okay, all tests, all classes, recent enrollments, recent submissions, and what are total tests, how many are total classes, total submissions, students, and everything is there. So this is how much easy to create quizzes, assign quizzes to classes, add students to classes, and then you can also share your test or share your classes links to your students on their social platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will be covering different options, like how you can create quizzes from web pages, how you can create quizzes from images, and how you can create videos or quizzes from audio. Okay, so you can also start recording here. So if you have any other features in mind, you can click on request feature button here. You can add your feature here that you want to add into this website, and obviously we will implement that. I hope you like this video. If you like, you can subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I will be covering different types of options. I hope you like this video, and have a good day. Thank you.